Bachacha! Yes! Bachacha box!
Hey kids, let's see what we have in the learning box of Bachacha. Jinwin, Pinwin, pencil on the paper, let the magic begin.
Let's learn how to draw a giraffe. Hey kids! Let's start by first making an inverted U shape. Make it in double borders. Now attach a long neck from the top of the inverted U. Make it double borders. Create large spots on the giraffe's neck and body. Draw an oval shape attached to the neck, a mouth, 2 ears, and 2 horns.
Draw a tail.
Color. Color the main body in yellow. Yes, good going. Try to color within the lines. Coming back to the giraffes, they can eat up to 45 kg of leaves and snack on fresh fruits and grass. Share this wonderful giraffe drawing with friends and family. Stay tuned to Bachacha Box. Happy hours for kids.